Hi, this is Saisa Shetty and I'm a legal intern at Lex & Company. Today I'm going to talk about a very well-known case on trademark, that is Benz versus Haibo Hindustan. This case was decided on the principle of well-known trademarks. The growth of India's middle-class population has been increased and the demand for the branded goods also has been increased with it. So as a result, there is a provision for well-known trademarks that have to be developed and to protect the interest not only of the brand holder or the brand owners but also the interest of the general public. Provision of protection of the well-known trademark is there under the Trademarks Act 1999. This provision have confirmed the stipulation laid down in the agreement of TRIPS, that is trade related aspect of intellectual property rights. In its present form, Indian trademark law has expressively said about the protection of well-known trademarks even in relation of the dissimilar goods. The courts have already actively protecting the well-known trademarks prior to the entry into force in the market. But the clear criteria under the Act that help the branded owners to assess or more accurately the evidence to form information that is required to the mark to qualify as a well-known trademark is there under the Trademarks Act 1999. So the facts of this case was as follows. The plaintiff over here, the Benz company, had a 3-pointed star in a ring-like structure for its trademark. And it was a leading manufacturer of the finest engineered cars in the world. They filed a lawsuit against the defendant for the permanent injunction for using their trademark as of defendant trademark. And over here, the defendant was also using the trademark Benz and the trademark, that is the 3-pointed human being in a ring, as a mark for its business, for the manufacture of the undergarments. So the plaintiff used the trademark for the manufacture of cars, whereas the defendant used the same trademark for the manufacture of undergarments. The issue over here was whether the injunction should be granted against the defendant or not, whether the defendant have actually infringed the trademark of the plaintiff, because the trademark Benz and the structure, that is the 3-pointed human being like structure, that was used for different purposes. Like the plaintiff used it for the manufacture of cars and the defendant used it for the manufacture of the undergarment. In this case, the court gave a judgment against the defendant. They granted a permanent injunction against the defendant, saying that the plaintiff was the actual owner of the trademark. The court acknowledged the mark and the trademark Benz and the 3-pointed star in a ring to have been long associated with the luxury cars, that is the Mercedes-Benz. Any person who had a very limited knowledge of the world of cars would be easily able to associate the name Benz and the trademark, that is the 3-pointed star in a ring, with the luxury car of Benz, that is the Mercedes-Benz. The court here rejected the argument of the defendant of filing the suit very late. The principle of honest and concurrent use that was laid in the case of Amritdhara Pharmacy versus Satyadev Gupta is also inapplicable to a well-known trademark that is called Benz. The trademark law is not intended to protect a person who deliberately sets out to take benefit of someone else's trademark or someone else's reputation with reference to the goods, especially so when the reputation is extended to the worldwide. By no stretch of imagination can it be said that the use for any length of time the Benz should not be objected to. No one should be allowed to infringe the world-famed name of goods which have no connection to the type of goods which have generated the worldwide reputation, and dilute the reputation of very high priced and extremely well engineered cars by associating with the underwears. So over here, the Benz company had acquired a well-knownness among the public. It has been worldwide famous. So everyone could guess it from the trademark Benz that it related to cars. Using the word and the trademark of Benz for undergarments will bring the reputation of the company Benz down, and the goodwill of the plaintiff company will be hampered. This was the whole point of this case, that the well-known trademarks are also protected under the Trademarks Act. As the well-known trademark had a good reputation in the market, that's why they have to be protected. This was all about the case. Thank you.